Are you making these costly marketing mistakes that could be holding your business back? Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Neglecting your target audience. It's easy to get lost in the whirlwind of marketing and forget who you're trying to reach. To overcome this mistake, it's essential to understand your ideal customer thoroughly. Create detailed buyer personas that encompass demographics, preferences, and pain points. The better you know your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your messaging to their needs. Take the time to research, survey, and interact with your customers. This can uncover invaluable insights that guide your marketing strategy. Remember, it's not about reaching everyone. It's about reaching the right people who resonate with your product or service. Mistake number 2. Inconsistent branding. Your brand is your business's identity, and consistency is key. When it comes to branding, you must maintain a uniform look and feel across all touchpoints. This means using the same logo, color scheme, and design elements. Consistency extends to your tone of voice and messaging. To avoid this mistake, set brand guidelines that outline how your brand should be presented to the world. It ensures that every interaction with your brand is coherent and reinforces your identity. But remember, inconsistency can confuse potential customers and dilute your brand strength. A strong, consistent brand builds trust and recognition, making it easier for customers to connect with your business. Mistake number 3. Ignoring online reviews and feedback. In today's digital age, online reviews and customer feedback are pure gold for small businesses. To overcome this mistake, make it a practice to actively monitor and respond to online reviews. Whether they're on platforms like Google, Yelp, or your website, acknowledge both the praise and the criticism. By doing so, you show potential customers that you care about their experiences and are responsive. You can also use customer feedback to improve your products or services. Feedback, even the negative kind, can provide valuable insights into what you're doing right and where you need to make changes. Additionally, showcase positive reviews on your website and marketing materials. They serve as powerful social proof, boosting your credibility and encouraging potential customers to trust your business. But don't make the mistake of ignoring this wealth of information. Online reviews are a direct line to your customers' opinions and experiences, and paying attention to them can enhance your reputation and customer relationships. Mistake number 4. Overlooking content marketing. High-quality content can be your secret marketing weapon. To avoid this mistake, create valuable and relevant content that speaks to your target audience's needs and interests. Content can take various forms, including blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media updates. Consistency is key. Maintain a content calendar to keep a steady stream of valuable information flowing. Share this content on your website and social media platforms to engage your audience. But remember, neglecting content marketing means missing out on a powerful tool for building trust and authority. Content showcases your expertise, provides value to your audience, and builds your reputation as a go-to resource. Don't underestimate the influence of high-quality content on your audience's perception of your business. Mistake number 5. Setting and forgetting marketing strategies. In the fast-paced world of business, what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. To overcome this mistake, regularly review and update your marketing plan. Staying informed about industry trends is essential. Attend industry events, follow industry publications, and keep an eye on your competitors. Additionally, consider experimenting with new strategies and marketing channels. Measure your results to see what's working and what isn't. Don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. Remember, the only constant in marketing is change. Stay nimble and adaptable to keep your marketing strategies fresh and effective. Set aside time in your schedule for regular strategy reviews and ensure you have the flexibility to adjust your approach as needed. By staying proactive and responsive, you'll be well equipped to navigate the ever-evolving marketing landscape. Remember, marketing is a dynamic journey, and these lessons can help you navigate the road to success with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights on navigating the world of business. Thank you for watching.